This is a quick video on how I changed a 500 amp battery relay isolator for this electric hydraulic motor pump. I am quickly checking for current flow to the relay and isolator with the truck off. There is no current flow in these connections here. I am using a light tester. Link will be in the description to buy one. In this connection, there is a current flow while the truck is turned off. In this connection here, there is no current flow. Now, I disconnected the main battery source. I also cleaned the battery terminals and battery after I was done. I also disconnected the second battery source as well. I bought the same exact relay isolator for my hydraulic pump. I will leave a link to a similar 500 amp relay and this exact one in the description. Hit a like if you like this video so far. This is the diagram for the relay and isolator. Feel free to subscribe to be a subscriber. This is how I started changing the connections, one by one. I also used a wired brush to clean the surface around the connections. This is how it came out, all clean. I also used the flat washers from the old relay isolator. This is the old flat washer. I used both the old flat washers and the new flat washers. It came out really good. I used electrical tape to isolate a little bit more other connections. I also cleaned dust and a bit of grease around the electric hydraulic pump. I also cleaned the connections very well with a wire brush. I really like how it came out. Now I cleaned the batteries and connected them back on. I quickly checked the current flow and everything was as before. Now I tested the hydraulic pump to see if everything was working normal. Hope you like this video and subscribe for more car insights.